Hello and welcome. This is Cursor and this will make your life 10 times more easier. So I'm not speeding up the video or anything. This is how fast you can make and use an app in Cursor. It's a fork of Visual Studio but with integrated like AI features, which writes code for you, creates files, deletes files, updates files and everything, runs comments and everything. So here I'm just doing a to-do app. Basically, I'm telling him make me a to-do app using Laravel and Blade and in Sail. So that's the Docker Laravel version of Docker. So it's much lighter, much easier to use, and so basically everything I'm doing here is just asking him what to do. He does everything. I need to approve some comments, but that's not always the case. He updates the code. As you can see, he creates the code and just running it. It happens sometimes that he makes mistakes, like here for an example, he missed the folder, but he figured that out by himself and corrects himself. So now he creates the migrations, the models, the controllers, everything that you need for a to-do app. Later in this video you will see how the app looks. Also you can modify little things. You can let them run wild. Updating and modifying every file, every controller, seeder, migrations, models and everything, but you can focus him on like specific files. Example here, I can go into the files and accept specific things that I want, but that's not really necessary because you can accept everything at once. Instead of like maybe wasting more than like 3 to 4 hours on doing this by manually, you just have this comment. You don't need it's understands it in every language, English, Spanish, German, every language. You can ask him for like what to do and he simply does it. Here's a Blade example, and as you can see, he creates every file single-handedly, and like this is just working. You will see later on in the video the example already running on a server on localhost, and it's amazing. The design is simple. You can tweak the design. You can tell him exactly what you want. If you want it to be like minimalistic, the colors, the padding and input fields, everything, and he knows because he indexes the code from the start and he knows exactly where everything is. Now he asked me to run the migrations. He made a mistake because he didn't calculate, oh, we are in Sail, but he figured that out by himself, and we're gonna do it again, and he will figure it out and fix it. As you can see, fresh migrations, and we already have the database set for everything that we need for this to-do app. The next thing I will show you is like the app, how it looks. This is an example. You have adding to-dos with titles, descriptions. You can store them, of course, in the database. This is a simple example. You can store them, edit them, you can delete them, and you can put them like to done. As you can see, the check mark, done, and you can just simply uncheck them again, and then you can delete the task, and that's it. You don't need any coding or any knowledge of development to do this.